Yes, and welcome. Today I am going to be showing you how to make this beautiful breakfast sandwich that has 59 grams of protein and is the perfect way for you to start any morning. Let's get into it. To start things off, you want to get a bowl, crack 4 large eggs into this bowl. I like using my knife, it just makes it so much easier to crack. Just be careful, make sure not to get eggshells into the mixture. You will want to season them with a pinch of salt, a little bit of pepper. This is going to add some nice flavor to the eggs. And then you're going to want to whisk this mixture until everything is nice and incorporated and all the salt and pepper and the eggs have been dissolved and you get this nice yellowish mixture. You then want to get your cooking mold and add a couple of sprays of low-calorie cooking spray to your cooking mold to make sure that it doesn't stick. Pour your egg mixture in. And then you are going to want to add some mixed herbs to this. Put it in the oven for 12 to 15 minutes at 400 Fahrenheit, 200 Celsius. While your eggs are baking, you are now going to make the patties. Start out with 500 grams of turkey mince, 2% fat, so it's nice and lean. You want to season it with a bit of salt. You will also want to add some pepper to it. Some onion powder, some garlic powder. Finally, I like to add a bit of Cajun seasoning for some spice and kick. However, if you want things a bit more mild, you can use any seasoning of your liking. You now want to fold the meat in on itself, spread out all of that seasoning, make sure it gets incorporated into every part of the meat. You want as much flavor spread out as possible so that you get it evenly distributed. You now want to divide it into 4 equal portions so you can make some patties. I like to use these crumpet making rings that I got online. The link is in the description down below. It just makes it so much easier to form the patties and get this nice, even circular shape for each one of the patties. If you're enjoying this video, don't forget to like and subscribe. You now want to get your frying pan, add a bit of low-calorie cooking spray, 5 or 6 sprays ought to do it, and then you want to add your patties to the pan. While the patties are frying, I like to use this slated spatula. It just gives it these nice grill lines as if you were cooking it outdoors in your barbecue. It's just for aesthetic purposes. You don't have to do this. I just like the way it makes the patties look. And now, of course, because this is a must-have, some slow motion B-roll, baby. Once your eggs are done baking, take them out of the oven, let them cool off for a bit, and then slice them into 4 even parts as we are making 4 English muffins with this recipe. Look at that beautiful egg color with the mixture with the herbs, pepper, and the salt. It's going to add so much flavor to your breakfast sandwich. And now the best part, the sauce. To a bowl, you will want to add 40 grams of soy sauce, 20 grams of honey, 30 grams of Sriracha, and 100 grams of Thai sweet chili sauce. As I mentioned before, put this in a bowl, mix it up nice and well until you get this thick, beautiful consistency. This is going to add so much flavor to your breakfast sandwich and give it that extra spicy kick. Look at that drip action, so beautiful, so thick. And now Now, of course, you can't make a breakfast sandwich without bread, so we are going to need 4 English muffins. Slice them up, cut them in half, divide them however you want. Just make sure they're split in 2. And for our last ingredient, you want to get some high protein cheese, 8 slices to be exact. You are now going to want to assemble your breakfast sandwich. We're going to start out by taking a bit of the Thai sweet chili sauce, adding it to both sides of the bread. Make sure to be generous with it. Get a lot of sauce in there. You want the bread to absorb the sauce so that you get as much flavor as possible in your breakfast sandwich. On top of this, you want to place the turkey patty. Add a bit more sauce to this. You want to be generous with it. Place it on top of the turkey patty. The sauce is where all the flavor comes from. So the more sauce you add, the more flavor your breakfast sandwich is going to have. And you could just never go overboard with the sauce. Place a slice of cheese on top of your patty. Then get out one of your egg squares. Place it on top of the slice of cheese. And finally, we are going to finish this tower combination with another slice of cheese. This is high protein cheese, so it is a bit rigid and stiff. You want to add it to the microwave for at least a minute and a half so that it melts and you get that delicious cheese flavor that we're all used to. Look at all that beautiful sauce. This breakfast sandwich is going to taste so good. And now the part that really matters and what we're here for, the macros. This breakfast sandwich has 59 grams of protein, 47 grams of carbs, 13 grams of fat, 540 calories. This is such an easy recipe to meal prep. You can make 4 of these breakfast sandwiches in under 20 minutes. Real quick, bang them out, wrap them up in tin foil. They will last in the fridge for 4 to 5 days. But you can also freeze them and they will last much longer if you're even able to resist waiting that long. This is a great meal to start your morning, nice, quick, and convenient. And there you have it, the ultimate breakfast sandwich to start your morning with 59 grams of protein, so much flavor. If you enjoyed this, don't forget to check out my other videos, like and subscribe to the channel. I really appreciate it. Thank you.